Hi, and welcome to Home Care Today. I'm Rick Ferrante of Home Care Services. If you have senior or someone who might need some assistance in their home, you might also want to know about some of the local events, information, workshop, and other resources right here in our area. And that's why Home Care Services Santa Clarita has produced this program. And here's what's going on in and around Santa Clarita Valley today, Friday, January 19th. First up at the Senior Center, it's Pinochle. It's actually on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 1 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. in room A4. So go check that out. Have some fun with Pinochle and maybe meet some new friends. Also over at the Senior Center, Fridays, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m., Computer Ask It Basket. This class is designed for the student who is using their computer and has some questions. So it's not necessarily for the very beginner, but someone who has maybe used the computer a little bit but has just a whole bunch of questions on how to get the most out of it. Look, all questions are important and valuable for everyone in the class, so go check that out. Senior Center, today, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Over at the YMCA today, Friday, 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m., it's water exercise. It's at the pool over at YMCA with Ruth, who is the instructor. This class is designed for new exerciser or member with health concerns. A shorter cardio component with emphasis on flexibility, muscle strength, and increased mobility. So go check that one out. A good way to get exercise there in the water, in the pool. And now for this weekend, tomorrow, Saturday the 20th. Saturday Screenings documentary series. This is over at the Valencia Library, 12:30 p.m. to 2 p.m. This is Saturday the 20th. So they're going to be in the VA meeting room. Saturday Screenings presents documentaries. Looking for movies or films other than those shown in the theater each day? Join us for fun, unique, educational, and enlightening documentaries. They're going to be announcing the next one presentation. They didn't yet, but go check that out. It's free movies, but it's documentaries. Next up is on the 20th over at the Canyon Country Library. It's Hooks and Needles. This is from 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. in the CC meeting room. Enjoy the company and experience of fellow yarn crafters from beginner to advanced. There is no instructor, but you can learn from each other and enjoy the company. The group meets the third Saturday of the month. Please join us. All levels are welcome. And that's it for today. If you're looking for assistance with any kind of care for a senior or someone at home, contact us. We're here to help. Please like and share this post if you find the information valuable, and if you've missed any of it, go to our page, Home Care Services Santa Clarita. Please like us while you're there. If you have events or information you would like to include on the program, give us a call, 800-808-4777. You can also visit our website, homecaresantaclarita.com. And that's it for today. Please join us every day as we bring you what's going on in Santa Clarita on Home Care Today.